I think that we as a community, and then I think as a wider industry, need to understand, like, we can't just have one code review. We do have to sit down and periodic points look at the whole of the code base and make sure that we have this consistent style, because that's just like maintenance. I kind of think of it, I had this analogy of like your kitchen. Like if you never clean anything in your kitchen until you need it, it's going to be a lot harder to clean things, and your kitchen is going to be absolutely disgusting. And then at some point you're just going to like clean everything and your kitchen will be beautiful and you'll be so excited. But then if you don't keep cleaning things as you use them, you're just going to get back to that bad state. And I feel like that is exactly what we do with our software so much. It's like, oh man, we've done all of this so bad. Let's say cleaning our kitchen is like a rewrite. Instead of like just cleaning it, we like demolish the whole kitchen and build a new one every time. And it's
expensive.
Like, yeah, it's extremely expensive. And we just need to have better ways of like going in and being like, okay, no, you just have to like clean the pots and pans and the dishes. And it's like, you can let them sit for a day or two. That'll be fine. But maybe you should like let them soak so it doesn't get all like really difficult to get the, dehydrated food off of the pots and pans. But it's okay to leave things for some time, but we are going to come back and we are going to clean the kitchen. And we have to do that with our code base. We have to come back and we have to clean up our code bases. And we have to just be good citizens and good maintainers.